Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ka jela oba Preston Tensong. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor, hadin ka jeng kendo yakasur kaberi uhinyau trem. Halor ka jeng dawa jongki, ban pelat patba yaka Kaiphod, halor ka jeng syaksiat jong ba Cheristafil thank you. Ulaong baya ka neka Kaiphod, ki ban Wanrah hapok ka yang dorbar thawan. Ula pentep ru bakador bar kan salong ha ka kendai tere ubenai banwan. Bad ha ka neka sngi kan sawanra ya ka neka Kaiphod banya keren. Ula bandap ru da ka baong baka sorkar ka klem penslem nile buto halor ka neka Kaiphod. Henry ka jing shimpor kadai namar ka commission ka hab banya kendu ya kisaki. Bad da ka jing bompala ban pendem kilapan biang ban penjelan ya kapor. Ula kentu banyai apsipor bad hadian bakila Wanrah hapok yang dorbar banyatai ki pat ba ken satip ya kajing ai jing mud jangka commission.
A group of leaders from the Suru threat, then they wanted that the report be made public immediately, but ultimately I explained to them all the details where we have to be guided by the act, by the guidelines, by the rules. Then I told them the inquiry commission report has to be first of all placed on the table of the House, and thereafter from that very day itself it will become a public property. It will be in the public domain. So I told them, please wait because the autumn session will start from 9th of September, and BAC next week we will sit down, we will work out the business of the session. But it is confirmed that the session will start from the 9th, and on that very same day itself, the report will be placed on the table of the House. So I requested all of them, please have a patience a little bit, and till such time is rich, you will be known all the details and the detailed reports of the commission appointed by the state government. There are report which the government constituted under different book. One is commission. When you talk about commission, we are being guided by the Commission Act. And when we said committee, means committee is up to the state government. Ultimately, that is the different issue. But when you ask me about the report of this particular instant case, it is very clear. We have to place it on the table of the House first, and thereafter it will be made public. This is similar to CAG report. Even CAG report, we cannot make it public unless it is laid on the table of the House.
Sir, the delegation had also alleged that there is lack of transparency in view of the fact that there has been no suspension of the official involved in the operation.
No, in fact, right from day one, because series of meetings were held during that time. So from the government side, we have already told all the concerned stakeholders, all the traditional heads of the Malay town Doba, we already told them, let us have patience, let the commission report be submitted to the government, then whatever recommendation which is made by the commission, then government will take action accordingly as per the recommendation. Times we extended the term of this commission, and that also not because of the government tactic to delay. In fact, it is because of the commission chairman himself who sought extension. And you know, the hearing of these type of cases, it takes a lot of time. Sometimes the witnesses are not free. When they are not free, then he has to extend the day. So these are the procedures where, practically we need to also understand and we need to also accept. That's why I requested them, I convinced them, please be patient, because I've already told them also on the 9th session will start, autumn session starts. So please be patient. You've been waiting for so many months, so it's a matter of just maybe 1 month or below 1 month from today exactly. Judicial Inquiry Commission. Please don't get confused. Judicial Inquiry Commission and an inquiry committee is different altogether. So the commission is being guided by the Act. There is a standing guidelines, rules of the Commissions Act. So therefore, we are being guided by that. As far as the particular case is concerned, relating to the death of late Cheristan.
So we can see that the report will be tabled in the floor of the House on September 9th.
Yeah, September, during this upcoming session, which is to be held on the 9th of this month.
So is this the fastest commission to get its report ready? Because in the past we have seen many commissions, including the
Yes.
full moon Dahar case, which took so many years to release the report.
Yes, correct. I think this must be the fastest one. Because see, from the government side, MDA government, we are committed, we are sincere enough to make sure that the report is submitted, and not only that, the report has to be placed in the table of the House. I think this is the fastest report to be laid in the floor of the House, and also to be made it